Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is February 5th, 2024. Here is another daily analysis, S&P 500 daily chart. So we had a kind of like a very mixed session, and I should say a negative session in lots of sectors except semiconductors. So semiconductors, they were just the only sector, I should say, keep the market buoyant to the upside. The other sectors, the other name, the other individuals, if you just go to the names, individual ones, you will see lots of negative names, lots of negative sectors, healthcare, energy, everything was down today except semiconductors. So all in all, market is just having a red day, but it was like a very light volume. So if I just double check the SPY, which is S&P 500 ETF volume, and that's going to be our measure for the volume, 75 million for SPY traded today. So market just had a sell-off, then coming back up, and still just holding up above 4,900, which is kind of like interesting level for bulls because everyone is just looking at 4,900 as a benchmark. And I should say just beneath of this pivot, which is going to be 48.48. So this interesting level, 48.48, that's going to be the level that everyone needs to look at, because if it goes below this, I should say market can have sharp sell-off to 4,700 easily. A bounce can just lead to another sell-off to 45, 46, which is going to be 5 to 10% correction. Is going to be a very, very healthy correction for the market. Remember, market is overbought, overstretched since October bottom here, and we will give market benefit of doubt for now. And moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like better shape compared to S&P 500, but as you see here, momentum is pretty down. Like RSI, MACD, we are just here at this double top formation. And also stochastic, we're just getting back to the oversold, overbought condition. If you get a bear reversal, that would be kind of like a nice divergence bear reversal, and that could lead us to another corrective move. A potential scenario is going to be test this trend line. So market is just forming higher high, higher low, and we can just do choppy consolidation here, this area, this season, especially if you haven't watched my weekly video. I was talking about the cycles. I was talking about the 2-year cycles, which is very, very important. I think market is very, very fragile, and it could be kind of like, I should say, a multi-year or multi-month top for now. But again, based on my forecast, we should see some kind of like a February, March corrective move. Then April, June, July could be kind of like a spike to the upside, but August after, we should see some kind of like a crack in the market with a prolonged decline. So make sure watch those videos because lots of good explanation there, and there is kind of like a good material there. And I give you why I was looking at the market like a spike in April, June, and then prolonged decline afterwards. So right now, I should say for the February, March, I'm just looking for a decline. This is going to be a good buying opportunity. I don't know if it's going to just end up to 17,000, or we get deeper corrective move to here to 16,700. Then we can just move to the upside nicely. So we'll see how it goes. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow just came down today. So let me just stretch this rectangular because this is my top for this year. So still, we are not at the top of the top. We just passed first month of the year. And this is very interesting how Dow Jones outperformed the other markets. Right now, Dow Jones just came down. McDonald's just missed the earning and revenue. I should say this is the first time since last 4 years. So this is kind of like a warning sign as well for the market. So everyone is just saying because McDonald's is pro-Israel and everyone just condemn McDonald's. I don't think this is not true. The truth is consumer is just weakening, and consumer spending is weakening, and McDonald's is a safe place for those ones who are just piling money. right now McDonald is dangerous because it is at the double top and kind of like telling us the warning signal. Dow is the same. So Dow is just heavy value stocks with energy, finance, and also some industrial names. I should say we can see some corrective move to here for a next buying opportunity to 40,000. So next 2 months, I should say this month, February and March, could be kind of like interesting corrective move for the market. At least we can say correction is going to be healthy for the market. Market is overdue for corrective move. Are we going to short the market? No, we are not going to short the market. We're just let market do its things, but keep our cash on the side and waiting for buying opportunity because momentum still is there. Moving on to gold, which coming down sharply today. So gold just that gave us a sell signal coming down, reacted to this trend line, still stocking in this consolidation area. I should say this triangle, either breakout could be very, very spiky. And 2000 to 19, I should say 84, that's going to be the area that I'm looking for. Bottom still, it didn't get there, but if it gets there, that's going to be interesting to see how it goes. But this one from here, then a spike to the upside would be a fantastic buying opportunity. So I'm just looking for kind of like a 1984 to 2000 area as a good buying opportunity. So yield actually spiked up today. We will talk about that. So that was the reason gold is coming down. Crude just had a doji bar here. This is pretty interesting. Crude just to give us a SPY signal again with a nice corrective move to the downside, the stochastic getting to oversold condition. I should say crude can have a bounce here. And this bounce, everyone is just saying higher high, higher low, but I'm not sure even if we get above this level. So the maximum level we can say just barely higher high, getting to this supply area, and then coming back down nicely afterwards. So we will see how it goes. But crude just giving us a nice doji bar here at the good level, at a good level. So if it goes below 70, I should say this bounce is going to be a dead cat bounce. Below 70, it can go easily to 61 to 63 again. For those ones who know me, I'm kind of like a very, very patient, probably 1 or 2 good positions per year is going to be enough for me because we're going to just heavily buy or sell on those spots. So crude is one of those ones that I'm looking for when we get to good level. Still, it is not in a good level. At least on my book, I'm just looking for this area, which is going to be a 51 to 53. The best scenario is going to be a $40. I'm not sure about this, but $50, 50 to 53, that's going to be a great area for buying opportunity for crude. Let's move on to individual names, starting with, let me go to yield. Yield had to bounce up today nicely. So sorry about that. Just the Bitcoin, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin Doji bar, still bullish consolidation here. I should say Bit is forming a bullish consolidation. And we can see another spike, potential scenario to 47. So keep an eye on 44,000. If it goes above 44,000, it can just spike up to 47,000. We will see how it goes with this. But again, I'm just looking for this area as a good buying opportunity. So stay with me. Probably we will get there, but if it gets there, it's going to be a great buying opportunity. Yield spike up today. So spike, that's going to put pressure on gold, on stock market a bit, and treasuries. So you'll still have more room to go. I believe a 4.50 to 4.60, it's going to be a level to buy, to get there for kind of like a selling opportunity. Treasury is coming down sharply. So I should say treasury is kind of like a forming ABC corrective move to the downside. I should say treasury here, somewhere around here, which is going to be 86 to 89. That's going to be the level that I'm looking for, even 90. So this is the area that we are looking for, right? So with this one, we can see some kind of like pullback to the upside. VIX coming down today, 18 cents down, nothing bad, nothing good, still poising up for the next buying opportunity. Dixie just a spike up. As I said, this bullish consolidation can rip up to the upside. It goes to the upside, 104 right now, so it can go to 105. That's going to be the maximum level. Actually, I have 104.84. That's on my book, so we'll see if it gets there. Magma indicator coming down. So big tech is after nice spark on Friday. Today we just had a bearish harami at the top. We will see if this pattern is going to be a reversal. Apple just to spike up, but look at the candle here. It's pretty weak. So I should say yes. Friday was a good jump. So good level, good jump. But this is just a bounce. I should say this is a bounce for the next rip to the downside. So we'll see how it goes. But I just looking for Apple $150 to $160 as a good buying opportunity. Amazon, Doji Bar, negative today. Not a bad session after Friday pop. So we will see how it goes. Meta coming down today. Friday pop coming down. This is kind of like a buy the rumor, sell the news. I think market is just waking up for overreaction here at this top. So if it goes below this candle, which is going to be low candle on Friday, can easily go down at least middle of this candle, 430. Even it can go further to just fill out this gap, and we will see how it goes. Moving on to Microsoft. Microsoft coming down today, $5.55. Google uptick today, but again, sellers to control later session. $1.30 upside. Netflix coming down. So Netflix is weakening. As I said, this is kind of like a weekly supply area, and Netflix is just dealing with this one, struggling to pass through. This is a nice bullish consolidation, but this is very strong level, I tell you. So this needs to consolidate more for pass through, which I don't think it's gonna go up. It will have a good corrective move for a next buying opportunity. So that's what I believe everyone needs to just keep an eye on this, because even if Netflix goes down, still it's going to be a good level for buy. Look at this one. Higher high, higher low, higher high, deeper for the next move to the upside. So don't buy here. Wait for a corrective move somewhere around here, 440, 450. That's going to be a good area. Tesla coming down sharply today, 3.65% to the downside. But again, hold up pretty nicely. Good shadow here. Just to stop hunting, coming back up. Still, Tesla is good for buying opportunity. Semiconductors, they were the only sector actually rocking to the upside, especially Nvidia. We will get to that one in a bit. SOX, the same pattern, moving up, not like SMH, but SOX can just hit the lower high here. SMH is kind of like at the double top here. Taiwan Semiconductor, higher high here. Nice move to the upside. AMD coming down sharply today. $3.43 down. This is kind of like a warning signal because AMD was on fire, but right now AMD is just leading to the downside. Nvidia 4.79% to the upside, new all-time high. This stock is Rockstar. Remember Tesla 2 years ago? This is exactly like that. So everyone is just waiting for a news or a couple of news or something that by Nvidia. No, this is gonna end up to the tier. So we will see. Texas Instrument, 30 cents down today. Lam Research, $12.62 up. Not a bad session for Lam Research. Moving on to financials, XLF, 23 cents down. KB is 67 cents down. I believe these ones are in a corrective move and we should be patient for them. For next buying opportunity, KRA coming down 80 cents. That put pressure on Dow Jones. So JP Morgan 23 cents down. Goldman Sachs $4.84 down. Goldman actually is just doing well. Like this is a good bullish consolidation. Even if Goldman come down to here, it doesn't mean that it's going to fail the bullish consolidation. That's going to just stop hunting for the next good buying opportunity. I believe banks are going to do well this year, but they're overdue for a corrective move. Bank of America coming down 48 cents down. Wells Fargo coming down 46 cents down as well. Moving on to the gold miner GDX, 66 cents down GDX. So this is based on gold and bond yield. So that's why these ones are coming down. I believe they're going to just form a double bottom above 27, still it's going to be okay. Even if it goes below 27, a shadow and coming back up, so that kind of like a fulfill the downside target, and we should just wait for a better price action, but not right now. So everyone needs to be patient with these ones. But I should say, when this one start, everyone just staring at them. GDXJ 86 cents down, AEM $14 down. Newmont, bad session for it, lower low, $5 down. Franco Nevada coming down and then coming back up after like last hour of trading session, $1.92 down today. Gold barrel coming down to the lower low. Gold barrel still can go to this double bottom here, which is going to be $13 to $14. So that's going to be the area that I'm looking for as a good buying opportunity. Moving on to the last sector for today, XLE 21 cents down, XOP coming down and then up. So this is kind of like a doji bar. We will see if it's going to follow up with crude or it's just a dead cat bounce. I believe they're going to follow up crude for just a dead cat bounce. 78 cents down today. OH $3.08 down. Exxon 42 cents down, and Chevron not a bad session, still holding up this area. So Chevron now it's better, but still I'm looking for Chevron $120 to $115 as a good buying opportunity. Right now it's 152. Just take it from me. Right now, this is gonna be the area that I'm looking for, and I believe it comes. It comes. Be patient, but we'll see. We will see Chevron $120 down the road. All right. I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the track. Bye bye.